Hello, hi. Good day. The food waste to energy initiative to reduce the food waste to the landfill. So food waste is one of the significant issue in Malaysia, with total of 8.3 million tons of food waste being disposed annually. On daily basis, it's about 17,000 tons, and it is constitute about 40% of the total waste generated uh, overall. Food waste not only represent a loss of nourishment, but also squanders valuable resources such as water, energy, and labor used in food production. And what is important is the most critical issue, food waste generate methane, which is very harmful to the environment, 80 times dangerous than the CO2. By reducing the food waste, we can make the environment more cleaner. And also, this initiative will support in this case, the persona that I involved in are the household residents, restaurant owner and operator, school canteen operator, college cafeteria operator, municipal officers in the local district, shopping mall owner, truck logistic company, as well as the waste management company. So the solution or the value proposition that I'm putting here is for the shopping mall owner operator with number of restaurant operators in their portfolio who are producing significant amount of food waste on daily basis, and they want to reduce their carbon footprint from their day-to-day operation. So WASTEE, waste to energy efficient, is an integrated services for waste food waste collection and to regenerate energy through the biogas production. To the shopping mall here, we want to transform the shopping mall into a beacon sustainability agenda by harnessing the food waste into renewable resources. Imagine there is no more truck flying around nearby the food court or around the shopping mall to carry the food waste to the landfill or incinerator, which is located far away from the city center. This initiative also we create more environment impact to the local economy as well. My go-to-market strategy, I'm getting involved of the 4 stakeholders here, who are one is the mall owners who want to make their shopping mall more interesting and to minimize their operational costs. I also have the tenants who producing facility managers who going to be our WASTEE partner as well to oversee the day-to-day operation of the waste management. And another stakeholders which is important to WASTEE also is the shoppers who increasingly consciously looking at the sustainability agenda to ensure that they engage or they visit the shopping mall that have very strong credential in sustainability. WASTEE basically will manage the huge amount of food waste from the shopping mall, and WASTEE also want to ensure that the shopping mall can achieve certain number of carbon footprint in their day-to-day operations. By aligning this interest between the stakeholders, the mall owners, mall tenants, mall facility manager, and as well the shoppers, food waste have a common goal for everyone. So the profit model for WASTEE, basically, on average, the shopping mall will generate about 60 tons of food waste on monthly basis. I'm going to put this food waste into AD, the anaerobic digestion process, which later we generate the biogas, which I can use for the power generation. So the sales of electricity at very competitive price will be sold at 10,000 kilowatt hour per month to the shopping mall. This electricity will be sold at a discounted rate at flat rate of 30 cents per kilowatt hour, which indirectly create savings of 2,000 ringgit per month, or about 24,000 ringgit annually to the shopping mall. So it cannot reduce totally the electricity consumption, but will be using this bioelectric or the food waste to energy electric, but the rest still depending on the grid. So based on the CAC here, looking at the infrastructure, compliance costs, and also the overhead costs, is equivalent about 46,000 ringgit per month. And these are the breakdowns of the costing. So the CAC is quite big on monthly basis. Looking at the LTV over CAC for WASTEE, the number is quite positive, 28.5. So the annual revenue for WASTEE is coming from the electricity sales to the shopping mall, the energy storage into the battery system, which later will be used for the usage, the sales of carbon credit, as well as the organic fertilizer, plus the ancillary income from the waste management services. So the annual revenue here, I'm looking at 2.676 million ringgit on annual basis. The total annual operational cost is about 696,000, and annual net revenue estimated at 1.98 million ringgit. So the LTV here is about 19.8 million ringgit. So the profitability LTV over the CAC is positive, which I believe the project can fly. So looking at the TAM, the TAM, total addressable market for WASTEE, is a big opportunity comprising of which located in the shopping malls. Also, I'm looking at the big population schools, for example, college, training center, hospital across Malaysia. So there are about 1,800 locations being identified as potential partner with WASTEE. So the total TAM for this is about 48.99 billion ringgit. So the assessment, how viable is this venture? The partnership model will allow certain benefits to the shopping owner without any cost that they incur. So in a way, they are saving huge amount of electricity bills from their day-to-day operation. For WASTEE, the electricity generated from biogas also can also be stored in the battery slightly at the higher value of 80 cents per kilowatt hour compared to the normal sales. The sales of organic fertilizer also become a big value to WASTEE. And what important also, the trading of the carbon credit generated from this biomass initiative. The most critical assumption that I need to validate is the costing of the infrastructure for the CAC, in particular about the processing technologies, gas storage, energy recovery, and storage system. If I can get it lower, will be better. But at the moment, I'm looking at the Chinese technology. To get it lowered further is a bit tough. But I'm also need to look at the efficiency and also the reliability of the system as well. So the assumption used here a bit conservative, and I need to improve further. But at the moment, so what it needs for the customer. So basically, I'm going to transform their mall into a sustainability beacon, reducing their waste, save their money, and attract more eco-conscious shoppers into their mall. Another area that I can look at is the boosting the local economy to create more jobs, to create more impact to the society, and as well as to enhance the brand of the shopping mall itself and the local community. So basically, I'm going to transform the retail landscape of the shopping mall. While they can save money, they can attract more shoppers, and then they can make a lasting impact on the environment. So the future is going to be green. Then they can start with WASTEE. Thank you. Thank you for your kind attention on my presentation.